Hello Mzansi, Dr. Elizabeth Thubakgale from Skeem Saam left friends amazed rocking her magnificent look. Her real name is Amanda Manku. She was born in 1991 in Zabediela, Limpopo. She was raised in Newlands, Johannesburg. She has a degree in film and editing at AFTA. Her real-life husband is a professional soccer player, Hendrik Bule Exton from Amazulu FC. Besides being a wife, Amanda Manku is a mother of 2 children, a son and a daughter. Amanda currently works for a sports anchor on SABC Sports. She is a film editor, television presenter, businesswoman, and a sportscaster. She is committed on Skeem Saam. Before landing her role on Skeem Saam, Amanda portrayed the role of a character of Musima on Mzansi Magic on Ikaya Show. She was also recognized as a child presenter on SABC Yo TV. She rocked this amazing, magnificent look she posted on Instagram. Take a look.